Sabah everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my review of the official 3D glass protector for Oneplus for the Oneplus 6. I ordered mine directly at the same time as when I ordered my device, and if you'd like to be able to save $20 on your order, please make sure to check out that link in the description below, as that will save you guys some money. Other than that, let's see how this installs, and I'm going to remove, of course, that little flimsy protector that comes on our device. This is TK, let's check it out. Oneplus selling their own glass protectors isn't something new. They've been doing it for a while. This is what I have on the Oneplus 5T, and I've done it, of course, on the Oneplus 5 before. The package is very simple. You open it up, you have a couple of things. You have a little chamois here, just to kind of clean up your device. We have the application tool to be able to basically take out any bubbles that we may have. And of course, the lint removal, as well as I also like to use it as a guide. Last but not least, of course, is the glass protector. Let's go ahead and pull it out here. Oops. And they always do this, and I really find this very helpful, is that they put the actual glass protector on another piece of very hard plastic so that it actually makes sure that it stays correctly on your device. Now, this is going to be used directly on our device. We do need to remove the original one, or the one that comes with this. They do recommend you using the case that comes with you in the box. So this is the case that comes with the Oneplus 6. Don't use any of the custom cases that they sell you. You need to use the one that comes in the case. So don't need to worry about this, but first thing we need to do is we need to remove this little flimsy guy. And it's not that it's a bad screen protector, it's just, it's not glass. Again, the first thing you want to do here before we go any further is we need to clean up our device and make sure that it's super clean, ready for us to be able to install our new glass protector. So first step is clean your device. And as much as possible, try to stay in a room where there's no dust flying in the air, so you don't want to get any dust installed on this, or under the glass. I do want to mention though that you are able to reapply this glass in case you do have a bad installation. So once the device is very, very clean, as much as possible, go ahead and put it in to the actual case and then clean it again. So this way, the case actually works as a frame. That's really why it's sitting there. So when you're putting it on, it's going to help you put the actual glass on this very easily and very cleanly, actually. So here it is. And let me double check. And the actual, you know what, the case itself does have some little raised edges here. You can probably see it right there. So, and it's present on all four corners. So it actually does keep your screen off the table. Okay, so now that we've cleaned up our display as best as possible, we're going to go through that's as clean as I'm able to get it. And here now what we're going to do is we're just going to basically peel. And here you go. So the bezels are there. I'm not sure why we still have rings around the glass protector, but they still have it there. And then all you need to do basically here is align and drop. Very simple. And we'll let it do its thing. Actually, I didn't even get a chance to touch it yet. So it's going here. Now let's go ahead and start working some of those bubbles out. There you have it. You know what? Perfect installation. I got rid of all of the bubbles. Quick tip, again, using the case will help you just align it correctly, and then when you get through and you start pushing all the bubbles, the ones on the edges, make sure you get them out, and then as you're putting them out, put a little bit of pressure. And if there's a persistent bubble sitting here in the middle, press and hold on it for about maybe 3 to 4 seconds. Give it enough time for the adhesive to stick to the glass, and it generally will get rid of it. Very nice, very quick installation. Again, aligns very quick, really, really nice. Now I am transferring some data. Let's go ahead and unlock the device. Actually, let's do a face unlock right there, of course. And let's see here, you know, gestures, and you know, it doesn't look like it's affecting it, and it looks pretty good. Once your installation is done, you can remove that other case and then use whatever case you'd like. I do have the carbon case here, and then I'll be able to use that. And again, very easy installation, very clean. All the bubbles were able to work out. If you do have any problems, try that pressure method that I was explaining to you guys, by putting pressure on that little bubble for about 3 to 4 seconds. And if that doesn't work, you can actually remove the protector and then start over with your installation. Make sure you're in a clean environment. There's no big dust, nothing really flying in the air, as the last thing you want to do is have dust under that glass. That would just probably drive you crazy, because I know it would for me. Like and subscribe as usual, and again, if you'd like to save $20 on your next order from Oneplus, the link will be in the description below. Again, I cannot do this without you guys. Like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for the support.